Hello everyone, my name is Bhavana. I am working as a Deputy Manager, Internal Audit with Metro Brands Limited. I have completed 3 years with Metro Brands and a decade in internal audit, process audits. I see AI as an opportunity and responsibility. We are acting as a bridge between what customer wants and what Metro Brands want to deliver at a larger scale. We, with the help of AI, are moving from a reactive decision making to a predictive intelligence. AI should free us from repetitive analysis and administrative work so we can focus better on our creativity, judgments, and customer engagements. So retail is the one of the industry that will generally compound with AI since it has a different aspect of business from merchandising planning, inventory planning, and customer engagement. It will definitely have better business perspectives, faster insights, which we can deliver to our customers. So only technology adoption will not help you move forward. It has to be adoption, execution, along with business integration. So the best senior leaders are the ones which are approaching AI with ambition and intelligence, focusing on how real-time business problems can be resolved rather than chasing trends. So they are also focused on governance, risk management, and building opportunity against organizational capability. So the balance between innovation and accountability is what younger leaders can learn from the senior leaders. Powerful question what comes into my mind is how we can see data, what are we missing into data which AI can help us see. So traditionally it was very difficult based on historical patterns and we used to depend on the experiences of our seniors. But today with AI, we are able to focus on 100% data rather than based on sampling methodology. So it has enabled us to move into faster business insights with more clarity. What excites me most about AI is transformation. With internal audit function, it has transformed it from compliance function into a strategic advisor. So with AI, we can handle a repetitive test and data. Me as an auditor can focus more on the business insights, emerging risk, and also how we can give a better ideas to the management for better decision making. We create a value into the management's eye as an audit function rather than just a cost center. What stands about Neutral is it accelerates information into insight. It has helped me as an auditor from changing my mindset from traditional methods where we used to approach our suppliers for data which used to come into the shape of Excel's, PDF, and then it was a task for us to reach to an accurate audit, wherein Neutral has enabled us with the help of their AI tool, wherein we can collate the data into one portal and we can get a better results rather than focusing on the traditional method.